Anapeana mpira juu, tumpigie makofi Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuanzisha game hiyo, na hivi sasa wanajiandaa kupeana display na mpira inaendelea pale, na mkabidhi Mrs. Waweru atuambie mengi.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, nobody returns her balls. She hits and you don't touch the ball. No, Joy has managed. We really, truly appreciate your kind gesture to be able to be with us and watch the game.
We are not going like we are the African champions. We are going to make history in Olympic this year.
Congratulations for putting our name there. Because it's the name of Kenya, it must be magical to be a hero of Kenya. That's why we said we are ready to brand them as Magical Kenya, Kenya Tourism Board. So we will brand them as Magical Kenya. So that is the reward from us. And we want you to be the world champions, not only in Africa, but also we're looking forward in the Olympics where you'll be successful.
And we all recognized that the one thing, undisputedly, that makes us Kenyan is our sports. Yeah? When our sportsmen and women are out there, it brings the whole country together. People forget their petty differences and their petty what. They just look and they say Kenya, right? And I think you are a critical part in helping us develop our nationhood, our Kenyanness, yeah? Because you come from different parts of the country, but when you gel and when you play out there, you don't know those things. Your Team Kenya. Your Team Kenya. And I want to encourage you. And I want to promise you that we shall continue to support this.